Oh, you are checking out the fire hydrant.
Nico cares more about the fire hydrant than lunch. Family.
Chilly weather is here, and we want to treat ourselves to some shopping and comforting food. Gurnee Mills is a go-to mall for many Illinoisans, although these days we spend more time looking at the fishies at Bass Pro Shop. For lunch, there's lots of franchises and fast food in the area, but a while back we stumbled upon this old school Italian Bakeshop that easily won us over.
So today we're in front of Tina's Italian Bake Shop, and we've tried to record here a few times, but Nico's been either cranky, he's sleepy, and he doesn't want to eat. Right, Nico?
Nico, what do you want to eat? Do you want to eat pasta?
Owner Tina Tortorici came to the US from Sicily at the age of 20, and her passion to make others smile through her cooking encouraged her to share her favorite Italian dishes with her community. You can definitely sense that homey and laid-back atmosphere at the bake shop. From the details on the walls to the array of Sicilian cookies on the counter, this is a bake shop you'll want to visit over and over. You're even greeted with a warm piece of freshly baked bread, drizzled with good olive oil and dusted with Parmesan.
I've never thought to do that before.
Put Parmesan on fresh bread. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm doing this at home. So what do you order?
So I got the bucatini pasta with a sausage and bolognese sauce. Sounds amazing to me.
And sharing.
Yeah, I'm sharing with Nico, and then I also got the salad because it comes with the plate. I think it's like a house dressing, but it goes really good. Vegetables are nice and fresh. Have a slight crunch to it, right? It's really good stuff. Yeah, sausage and a bolognese sauce.
Nico, you want some pasta?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's good sauce. It sticks to the pasta really well, so good. Let me try the sausage. It's a mild sausage, it's not too spicy. You can taste some of the herbs. It's just really good.
That is amazing. That tastes super homemade.
Pretty good, right? The sauce
Okay, next time I'm getting pasta. I will always get the sandwiches because the bread is so good. I actually always get the same sandwich, guys. Because it's just the pesto's so good, and it comes with red peppers and some other veggies. I think there might be artichoke in there too, and salad. And you can get half a sandwich with salad. And I also got a soup because I just want to try it. Everything here is great. I don't know what it is. It's so comforting. And then the sauce. That sauce is amazing. I'll put it on everything. I'll take it to go even if I don't finish it. Good. So this minestrone is more like the one you would try in Italy, where it's a whole bunch of stuff that's left over, like vegetables. Not like the canned stuff that has a bunch of pasta.
Yeah, because it does look very hearty.
Oh my goodness, it's delicious. Has pumpkin in it. And it does have some ditalini in it, but not too much. Yum, it's good. You have to try it.
Yeah, it's very chunky. Yeah, really hit the spot for those cold days. And the vegetables still have some body to them, so it's not, they're not mushy. Yeah, this is really good.
You gotta sit down to eat your cookie.
Sit down on the chair, Nico.
Do you like the cookie? For that, he's always hungry.
Really subtle almond flavor. It's really good. I like kind of like the jam on top.
Yeah, it makes it sweet.
Yeah,
So it's not too sweet.
it makes it a little bit sweet, but it's not too sweet. You know, slightly crumbly. That's good stuff. I think this would go well with like coffee or milk. Welcome to another episode of Car Food Confessional, the Tina's Italian Bakery edition. And yeah, we stopped by, had some pasta and a sandwich, kind of like we had last time. And it was really good. Like, their stuff is really good, tastes really fresh. I had the bucatini with the sausage and bolognese sauce with a salad. Fantastic. The salad was great. Vegetables were nice and crispy, if you can call it that, or crunchy. And
Sausage is good.
yeah, the sausage is really good. It's very mild. Like, you could hardly get the spices from the usual Italian sausage, right? But it was really, really good, soft. And the bolognese sauce was really nice. Like the pasta, it kind of like picked up that the tomato sauce flavor, right? Which was great. I really like that. And Maria got the sandwich and salad combo. So she had half a sandwich with the salad, and she ordered minestrone soup on the side, which is really good. Like, if you guys saw it, it's a very hearty soup, right? So a lot of chunky vegetables in there. So it was very nice tomato flavor, right? It's really good. But it's really good stuff. If you're ever in the Gurnee Mills area, just stop by at Tina's Italian Bakery and enjoy yourselves a really nice home-cooked meal. Bye.
If you're on the hunt for other Chicago food treasures, let us know in the comments down below. Take care, everybody.